Okay, I'm gonna see if I can catch a train horn. I just heard a train horn. I fell asleep at midnight last night. Went right to sleep. I had some weird dreams last night too. I remember I woke up once during the night. I don't know what time it was. I was in my bed. There you guys go. Anyways, I woke up once during the night. Whoa. Okay, I woke up once during the night. I was in my bed and I heard a train horn. While I was laying in bed, I heard a train horn. Of course, I don't know what time it was, but I heard a train horn. And then I fell back asleep. I had a dream about some kind of girl. Yep, I had a dream about a girl. A friend of mine. We were supposed to go somewhere. I don't know. She was supposed to come over. So I had a dream about that. Then I woke up around, I think it was 5:30. I woke up, looked out my window. It was starting to get light out. And then I fell asleep again. And then I woke up around 6 something. So yep, that's that. That's gonna be it, guys. Bye.